In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life or the oil change reminder on this Honda Civic. Let's get started. Once you're in the vehicle, put the key in the on position. Now you can use these buttons right here to cycle through the menu. I'm going to use the select/reset button. If I press it once, it goes to trip B. Press it again, it goes to oil life. It shows it's at 50% right now. Now if you hold down the select/reset button for about 5 or 6 seconds, you're going to have the oil life flash and it's going to display a little A on the left side of that screen. Don't press it at this point or it will exit the reset function, but let go and hold it once again. After a few seconds, it will reset to 100%. There we go. Oil life has been reset. To get out of this menu, just press that button once again and it goes back to trip A. Now you can shut the ignition off and there you have it, oil life has been reset.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.